side of the cloud, look way out to your south, out to the south here. Look at that big silhouette, the C5A Galaxy. Okay, if you look out here to the right, coming in from the south, landing lights are on. Probably got flaps down. Probably has the gear down, right, Captain?
Yeah, I would imagine if he wants to be, a safe pilot, it could be clean right now, maybe just to put on a show, but most likely has the gear down. We have there's approximately 116 C5s located throughout all the globe here, flown by active duty, reservists, and guardsmen. So we have quite a few here at Travis.
Now, about how many of these helicopters do you think we can fit in the C5 if we're parked here?
I don't know, probably, I would say at least 8. At least 8 of these now.
And look how big it is. Look how massive. It looks like it's just suspended in aviation.
All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jeff Aubrey, Captain in the United States Air Force from the 60th Air Mobility Wing at Travis Air Force Base, California. It is my great pleasure this afternoon to describe to you today for the flyover the Air Force's largest airlift, the C5 Galaxy. Today's Galaxy is from Travis Air Force Base, California, is commanded by Captain Walker Pierce Percy. Also on board, Major Nathan Showerman, Captain Craig Gardine, Sergeant Garcia, and Sergeant Torres. Air Force and Air Mobility Command, we thank you for being here with us today. We hope you have enjoyed this brief look at the C5, the United States Air Force premier airlift, providing rapid global mobility from America today, tomorrow, and in the 21st century.